This is an overview of how to do your parking lot. So the first thing I would like you to do is go to your site plan, and then I recommend hiding your grass and hiding category on your elevation markers. And then if you have a roof that you can see, hide category on your roof as well. You want to be able to highlight your walls and click on that. Once you do that, I recommend being in hidden line, but if you want to go back and forth as you create things to see materials, you can, but hidden line will allow you to see peak lines. So we're going to go to massing and site topo solid, and we are going to create a mulch topo solid because we don't have one. And I'm going to go to edit type, duplicate and rename, and make my wall mulch material. So I'm going to create a new material, name it mulch, and then go and find my mulch. You have 4 options for your mulch, and they are black, brown, brown mix, and red. I'm going to load in the brown and hit OK. Now I'm ready to make my mulch. My mulch has to be a bare minimum at the front of my building and 3 feet out from it. So I'm going to use my pick wall tool to pick the edge. This is where my front door is, so I'm just going to have my mulch kind of stop there, my sidewalk leading to my front door. I'm also going to do some mulch on the side here, and then I don't have any parking over here, so I'm going to do a larger kind of mulch landscape bed. I'm going to choose to not do it in the back. Again, bare minimum, you just have to do it in the front. Then I'm going to use my offset tool, and I'm going to offset this 3 feet so that I roughly know where that placement is. On one side of my building, I'm going to do curvy mulch. On the other side, I'm going to keep it straight. It is up to you what you decide to do for your structure. So now over here, I'm going to just do a straight design. So just 3 feet of mulch. I have to make this one complete shape. So I'm going to back this up. So this side is done. This side, though, I'm going to do a spline tool. So I'm going to kind of go out from this area, and I like having my 3-foot marker because it just helps me know how big I can have my mulch. And then over here, because I'm not going to have any parking, I'm going to make a much larger landscape. Now I can delete these inner lines. I no longer need. And now I have my mulch area. So when I go to realistic, you can see now that I have mulch. The next step is to do 5 feet